guys! Welcome to our video.
So guys, have you ever felt proud because you stayed all night to work or study?
Or maybe you've seen people posting things like no days off or every day I'm hustling on social media. Well, that's exactly what we're going to present today.
I'm Anggi.
And I'm Raudia. Let's start to our presentation. So, our article is titled The Trap of False Awareness. Why do we feel proud when we work 24/7? So, let's dive in. But before that, why did we choose this topic?
That because hustle culture is becoming part of everyday life, especially for Gen Z.
Nowadays, people often believe that the better you are, the more successful you must be.
Social media also reinforced this idea by making productivity look like a competition.
That's why we think this topic is important to discuss. So, what is hustle culture?
Hustle culture is a culture that encourages individuals to constantly pursue success, particularly in financial and career aspects, often at the expense of their well-being. In this culture, working at all hours and anywhere is considered normal, even ideal. As a result, the line between work time and rest time has become increasingly blurred.
But, is this really happening around us?
Definitely. Gen Z is now the large workforce group, and many young workers are willing to work overtime to reach their career goals.
In Indonesia, around 45% of people embracing hustle culture even share their productive activities on social media.
Unfortunately, behind this achievement, around 13.7% of young workers experience burnout because of constant work pressure.
So, while hustle culture may look inspiring, it also comes with hidden costs. So, what makes hustle culture so common nowadays?
There are four main factors behind it.
The first one is false consciousness. People believe that working non-stop is the only way to achieve success, even though they may actually be sacrificing their own health.
The second factor is social media and toxic positivity. Seeing motivational posts and people's achievement online can create pressure to always stay productive.
Another factor is FOMO or fear of missing out. Many people worry they will be left behind if they don't work as hard as everyone else.
Finally, there's social and family pressure. Expectation from family and society often push people to work hard to prove themselves.
Together, these factors encourage many people to adopt the hustle culture lifestyle. Even though hustle culture is often criticized, does it have any positive impacts?
Yes, it does. First, it supports personal growth by encouraging people to achieve their goals, build confidence, and reach their full potentials.
It also promotes skill development, helping individuals gain new experience and improve the skills needed in today's workplace.
Another benefit is career and financial growth. Working hard can open opportunities for better jobs, promotion, and higher income.
There's also the psychological benefit. Some people feel a sense of accomplishments and motivations after completing challenging tasks.
Finally, from an organizational perspective, hustle culture can increase productivity, encourage creativity, and strengthen employee commitment.
However, it's important to remember that these benefits may only last in the short term if they're achieved by sacrificing our health and well-being. On the other hand, hustle culture also has several serious negative impacts.
The first is mental health problems. constant work pressure can lead to stress, anxiety, depression, and burnout.
Next is social media pressures. Constantly comparing ourselves to others can create insecurity and fear of not being successful enough.
Another major issue is toxic productivity, where people feel guilty whenever they are resting and believe they always have to be productive.
Over time, this can result in reduced well-being, including lower creativity, poor work-life balance, and decreased life satisfaction.
In the most extreme case, it can even lead to serious psychological consequences, such as work-related exhaustion and health problems caused by prolonged overwork.
That's why it's important to remember that success should never come at the expense of our cycle and mental health.
So guys, that's all our presentation. If you're interested with this topic,
You can read our article by click link in the description box.
bye! Thank you guys!